ngabe ngithi ayikho into enje kodwa manje inkinga nansi ngiyayibona. Ngizosho kanjani ukuthi ayikho ngoba nansi ngiyayibona. Okusho ukuthi uAnathi sesingavele nje officially simbize ngoAnathi the hustler. Ngoba phela uyahustlisha umfana and uyayazi target market yakhe. Sisababaza nje ukuthi hayibo uyenzani ingane. Nansi ingane igijimisa uDominic. Nansi ingane kuyaphikwa omunye. Hayi, yangena ingahlangahla phahla. Waqhamuka uLasizwe. Niyamazi uLasizwe hamba ninoyibukela. uLasizwe sevele waqhamuka ngo-fast lane. Waqhamuka ngo-fast lane wathi abe le ngane kade bilenza kanje uDominic. Ingani nami. Wavele uLasizwe wathi phahla. Screenshot isengane. Ithi ingane dear lover. Ngitho yibona nansi ayiyona. Ithi dear lover. I'm writing you this email because my mind was talking to my heart and they realized that they love you so much. Thank you for your time. Your man, Anathi Mackenzie. Kwahamba i-conversation yabo manje yayofika ku-WhatsApp. Uyangithi ngithini go? Baya. Bathi try to relax. I'm sure your brain is busy. Literally trying to pack as quick as I can. I'm flying out tonight. And you are on your phone speaking to Anathi. Yes, wena. How's your day? What were you up to? I'm just thinking about you, nothing much. Wena, how was your day? Hey, qhubekani niyibukele le. Yey, uNkulunkulu wami. Uthi uLasizwe kuthiwa kusemnandi kusaxoxa ingane yathi ba. Yathi khanithengele nasi hlangu. Yaqala ke manje yavela ingane ukuthi ize ngani. Khanithengele esihlangu. I'm going to wear it when we go to Dubai. Uthi uLasizwe ke kwase kuyavela ke manje ukuthi ingane ize ngani. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini ku? Kwase kuyavela ke manje ingane ukuthi ize ngani. Yaqhubeka ingane yangagcina lapho. Uthi uLasizwe ngesikhathi phela nje sibabonile lapha yana uAnathi noDominic bebaba pha nezibhethi elokhuzaneni angazi babe seholidini lapha begibela iguta. Uthi ke yayikade ikhuluma futhi naye uLasizwe. Bakwethu uma ungahlala eThekwini uzobabaza. Thina ikade soyibabaza ngoba sihlala eThekwini siyawazi amahasla. Yabona lamahasla lawo. Futhi lamahasla lawa ahaslisha.
Bonile bafazi iyaphika indoda noma siphuma amachethi so when you are a cheater you are a liar. Indoda uzoyiphika at all costs. You don't know him, you've never been there. Kunama video kunani wenani uphike. Usubanjiwe uphike ubambe uAnathi Mackenzie. Uthi nje lapho khona hayibo guys akumina lona ngangimsiza ngiPA yasiswakhe vamlomo wakho. No, sahlangana it was a weekend getaway. Lapho kuqamba manga kwangena weekend getaway nanjola nje kumnandi kukuhle enihamba ama trip unama video akho uhappy Sicefe nje uyapheka uvela upheka noma uvela wenzani lapha usulani uAnathi usula ijacuzzi uphika usuzibona uphika ukuthi nje luthela angimazi nomlisa mina lo ngiyamazi hayi sahlangana eClubino ngisekela ama champagne lapho nje kwakuyisoka lakho lamanyana kwenziwa njalo ke bafazi clock it indoda iyaphika.
Guys, akekho ufuna ngibo Anathi wakhe nje because what the fuck, it's currently 3 a.m. and I'm awake. I have to study. I'm about to study. I'm writing today. Can please someone take me and feed me?
Masana, after ndibone ezo screenshot zikaLasizwe, oh, hayi uAnathi yicrook yaseBhayi manyani and uLasizwe uyowamclocka uba lona yingcuvist. Ucinga fancy ba uzazotya imali yami. Oh Dominic sana lwam, how did you miss that? Like was that chats like I was cringing. Ucela iteki ufuna uya Dubai. Oh Lasizwe baby. Love your responses gesana wathi hayibo. Hayi noba soya ngoNkulunkulu. Wathi Lasizwe bana no, I just paid bonuses. Hayi lo mfana kana nhloni. Hayi akana nhloni.
Guys, please don't come for me. Don't come for me. I've never been interested in zabantu ku social media and whatsoever nanani. But this, it takes the cups. This Anathi Mackenzie, this, shame. Sebenza boy. Like ithi le ntombi yakho Joe xa kunje.
Hi guys, I got a DM from a TikTok account called Gossip Girl. Here is it. After I posted that video that had screenshots of Lasizwe and Anati's video call. So this girl was like, hey girl, please keep me anonymous. So about the Dominic situation, apparently Dominic used to date this guy called Sandile Smiles. At the time, he was only 23, while Dominic was 33. They were seen together a lot at V&A Waterfront back then. If you check TikTok, they still follow each other, and the funny part is Dominic never misses him. When he joins her live, uhlala emqaphela. Apparently, the drama started when Dominic was honest with Anathi. Wamxelela straight ukuthi ukuba uSandile angandicela sibuyelane, ndingabuyela kuye. Because Sandile Smiles was the one who broke up with her first. Even while she was dating Anathi, she would randomly talk about her ex, Sandile Smiles, on her TikTok lives. Iti indaba. Kuthiwa the first time Anathi hit her, he even called one of his friends and blamed Sandile Smiles. Wathi lo Sandile uyamphazamisa ngoba uhlala embiza uDominic randomly just checking up or catching up. Anathi even accused Dominic of cheating with Sandile Smiles. But here's the twist. According to Sandile Smiles' post, he looked like he had already moved on. Kodwa not long ago, this year, him and Dominic were seen on a date again, and he posted about it. Ngamafuchane abantu bathi uDominic uthanda ama younger boys, like uthanda ama small boys. I'm gonna attach the pictures that this girl sent me. She even sent me the proof of what she's talking about. I'm gonna attach the pictures on the screen. Also, andiqinisekanga ukuthi ungubani owaqala ukuthanda omunye. But Lasizwe and Sandile were flirting a few days or maybe weeks after he ended. Sorry about that. My phone is slow. Uyaphinda futhi ugele uthi also andiqinisekanga ukuthi ngubani owaqala ukuthanda omunye. But Lasizwe and Sandile were flirting a few days or maybe weeks after he ended things with Sandile Smiles. Kubonakala ngathi baqala ukuthetha nokudlala ngeflirting kungekudala emva kokuba ubudlelwane bakhe noSandile Smiles buphelile. Flirted kwi-IG live. I'm going to attach the pictures that this person sent me.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Guys, uyoyiphika uthini lena we-Anathi. So guys, siyamkhumbula Anathi ukuthi sukele ya trend. I think it's been 2 weeks so la trend Anathi ngemva kokuthi exposwe nguDominic ukuthi bekamshaya basa date amhlukubeta nangokuthi Dominic bekamendela tindo kumfana amthengela timbahla amkhipha amendela yonke into basically uDominic bekasponsor salomfana ambhokhela ngisho nemahotela ukuthi lo mfana oshaya iClof negirlfriend yakhe. Le girlfriend uDominic bekade ukuthi ngocousin. Okay, so mfana ufikile tinkundleni tokuxhumana denying into lokukhulunywa nguDominic saying ukuthi Dominic unemanga uqamba manga bakase ba date yena na Dominic just bekamshuthela nje. Uyabo bekamshuthela yena nakana nkinga nemagay but Dominic uqamba manga makazi beka date abakase ba date. Guess what? uDominic ukhulume abhala ku TikTok ukuthi uLasizwe was asking the guy out while yena Dominic nalomfana ba date. uLasizwe wathi ini yona, mina was asking u-Anathi out. When did I do that? Wafika ke noLasizwe nema-screenshot nema-evidence alo mfana ukuthi lo mfana nguye la icalile la isusile nangokuthi yena bekangadi kokuthi yena naDominic bayadate. Mfana ambhalela ama-DM, mfana amtshela indlela amthanza ngakhona njengoba sibona la mfana ushilo, dear my love, I'm writing you this email because my mind was talking to my heart and they realized they love you so much. Thank you for your time, your man Anathi Mackenzie. Uthi I'm writing you this email ku-DM. Imagine. So what I like about the story saLasizwe ukuthi laSizwe unayo yonke evidence longayifuna, yonke evidence longayicabanga. Lesihluleke ukuthola kuDominic as evidence. Dominic usifakele mfana ahlafunela ama Doritos, mfana twashela iphule. uLasizwe oqhamukene ama screenshot wonke. Yophika thini mfana uyophika sho ukuthi naLasizwe ucamba manga they were not dating. So lo mfana lona kahle kahle uliqola, lo mfana lona uqola ma-gay lanemali. Ma-gay uyawayuza pretending to love them after 9 bese bona bamsponsora. Good thing uLasizwe didn't fall for that trap. Lana mfana usendela iteka sendela laSizwe tshela laSizwe ukuthi ucela amthengele nasi sihlangu uthi tosigcoka uma baye eDurban. Yona le trip le eDurban lethi ayibhadalwe nguLasizwe. This guy guys uskema uqola ama-gay and Dominic fell for this trap. Dominic fell for this trap. That's why bamdla imali, bamyuza, bamdla nje imali wasala akhala because bekangadi kuthi lo mfana uqola lo mfana nje naye ikhenzaba yakhe. So yophika thini ebantwini njengoba besolaphika phela Dominic ukuthi akasadate. NakuLasizwe utophika laSizwe sekashaya amabhomu screenshots letingaka. Hayibo, this should be a documentary because what? Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.